Hi, this is Bill with Dine Drink Vegas. It is January of 2023 and I'm here outside the Mirage Hotel on the Las Vegas Strip. What I wanted to do for just a minute is give you an update on how the hotel has changed since it's no longer controlled by MGM. The switchover from the MGM to the Seminole happened on December 19th, so about 2 weeks ago. So far there haven't been a lot of big physical changes. The volcano is still there, the waterfall is still running, but what I'm looking at now is where the eventual new hotel tower is going to go. It's going to be guitar-shaped with views up and down the strip. As they do that, and even after they do that, the old classic hotel is going to continue functioning and operating. I just toured around inside that hotel, and it looks almost exactly the same. The change is that they have been incredibly quick to remove all of the old MGM branding. The branding is now a Unity Club. They said that in some cases, they switched over people's M-Life program information. In some cases, they didn't. Somehow that wound up leaving me with $171 of free play, which I didn't understand, but I was happy to accept. They're also being pretty aggressive about tier matching, so if you've got status with some other casino's program, they're happy to match it, and I'll be interested to see what kind of offers I start getting in the mail. Other than that, though, it is the same restaurants. There's not any visible signs of construction or updates or changes. It's all functioning pretty much like it always already has. I'm going to come back here on another trip in March. I'll give you a status update then and let you know about any changes that have happened. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, we would really appreciate your support for the channel. One of the things that we try to do here at Dine Drink Vegas is have short and focused reviews so you have the information you need to plan out your next trip to Vegas. If we have been helpful, please support the channel by hitting like and subscribe. We'd also love to hear from you. Put your comments and questions in the comment section down below. We'll do the best job we can to answer them, and we'll be sure to look for that on our next trip in March for the next construction update. Thanks so much, and happy travels.